What is poppin'? In today's video, I'm about to showcase you guys how to basically increase your FPS when you're playing games on your PlayStation 5. Now, I'm gonna showcase you guys a couple of steps that I use to greatly improve my FPS on my PlayStation 5, which is this can comes in when you're playing games and also when you're browsing through the UI system. I know it can get very laggy sometimes, and basically in today's video, I'm basically gonna show you guys how to fix that. First things first, you're gonna head to system and then go to storage, and then while you're in storage, you're gonna delete certain things you basically don't need, like games and applications, stuff like that. And I'm about to going to delete 3 applications that I basically don't need anymore, which is Spider-Man Miles Morales, Share Factory, and Astro Playroom. I really don't need those things, so I'm gonna delete it just to create more space, and also reduce lag, because I know if you have too much games application installed and also too much media gallery stuff, it can cause lag on your PlayStation 5. So I'm gonna delete these things. You see, how do you delete this? This is actually my first time trying to delete stuff off my media gallery. I believe it's the second one. Oh, there we go. Just press select all, delete all 48 items. 48 items that I don't recall even recording. So game data, you can also delete stuff off of here, but I'm just gonna leave it here because I'm definitely gonna need some of my game data. Other, you can't access this due to the fact that PS5 is gonna have certain applications pre-installed and that you can't delete, and that's like 20 gigabytes of your storage space, so can't do nothing about that. You just gotta break it. Next thing, you're gonna go to notifications. You're gonna delete all your notifications, because notifications can also cause lag when you're experiencing stuff through the UI, so it's very important to delete that. This was very effective with the PS4, so it should be very effective with the PS5, so it should have no difference at all. Next thing, I'm gonna showcase you guys reduce lag when you're playing online games. So I'm gonna show you guys a little DNS, a popular DNS server code that is used by a lot of people to improve your internet speed. So as you guys may know, that I use Wi-Fi and LAN. I mostly use my LAN adapter, my LAN cable. Sorry about that, not my LAN adapter. That's for my Switch. My LAN cable to get the best internet experience. You can also use this for Wi-Fi. And before you guys put in this code in, I advise you to test out your internet speed first to see where it's at currently. Do this, I'll say about 1 time is good. 2 or 3 times is just making sure what's the average speed you get. It may decrease, it may increase while you're doing this, but just to get a good picture of your MBS, just test it out at least 1 time, and after that, put in this code I'm about to showcase you guys. This is a really popular code. I believe this code has been used basically for 2 years now. It's a Google DNS code that I'm about to put in. Really popular, is used to increase when you're playing games online. It's really effective. So I'm just gonna check out my average MBS and see if there's going to be any great improvements when I put in the Google DNS server code. And yeah, we're about to test it out, so I'm gonna wait it out real quick, see what it is. All right, so I got that. Go to settings, set up internet connection, and then when you get here, I'll go to my LAN advanced settings, and I'm gonna put in the new code. So this is going to be 4 8s, dots in between them. This is the popular Google DNS code, like I said before. And then secondary DNS is going to be 1001. Alrighty, press done on that. Basically press OK. We're gonna test it out, see how much it improves. Now also, if you guys don't notice any improvements, like I said before, I always have to explain this into my fullest, because as you may know, when certain people watch the videos, they either don't watch it fully through, or they don't understand because they lack basic human knowledge on certain things. This is very dependent on your internet server provider. If you have bad internet, this could help you, but it may not help you a lot compared to somebody else. If you have average internet, most likely this may or may not help you. I'll say 40% you might see improvement. As you see right now, I see like my MBS went up only by 3. I believe it was 106, now it's 109. It helps a little bit. Like I said, you're not gonna see any great drastically improvements unless you have something like AT&T fiber, which not a lot of people in this world have, or some people can't even afford it. So this is just to help. This is not going to be something life changing. The only way you can really improve your internet connection is getting a better internet server provider. Like I said, do not attack me under the comment section and explain saying that this does not work. I already explained it why it doesn't work, the possible reason why it couldn't work. Alright, so last but not least, another thing you can use to increase your FPS and reduce game lag when you're on your PlayStation 4 is basically clearing up your friends list. I know that you can have a lot of friend requests, and this is another way to improve your FPS or reduce game lag, is clearing it up. Also clearing up your messaging system. So it's very important to clear up your friends list and your messaging system, because those are one of maybe the top 3 reasons why your PlayStation 5 is lagging. And this was one of the big issues on the PS4, and I believe this is also a big issue on the PS5. So yeah, that's basically about it. If you guys enjoyed this video, feel free to like, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.